Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Z Chemistry. Today's topic is about refraction of light. इससे पहले जो हमने टॉपिक्स पढ़े वहाँ पे हमने रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट के बारे में पढ़ा, वहाँ पे हमने रे डायग्राम्स के बारे में पढ़ा, वहाँ पे हमने साइन कन्वेंशन, मिरर फार्मूला और दीगर मैग्निफिकेशन के बारे में पढ़ा. तो जो चैप्टर लाइट है इसका ये दूसरा भाग है, दूसरा पार्ट है जहाँ पे हम रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. तो अक्सर बेशतर जो क्वेश्चन जो एग्जाम में आते हैं CBSE पैटर्न या NCERT पैटर्न में, तो वहाँ पे या तो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट में या रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. तो आई होप कि मतलब आप काफ़ी ध्यान से इस लेक्चर को देखेंगे और समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है, तो विल स्टार्ट विद रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. जब हमने चैप्टर को स्टार्ट किया था तो उस दिन मैंने आपको कहा था कि दिस जो लाइट है इट हैज़ ए नेचर दैट इट ट्रेवल्स इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन और द पाथ टेकन बाय लाइट इज ऑलवेज ए स्ट्रेट पाथ. मगर जब भी ये जो केस है स्ट्रेट पाथ का, ये सिर्फ मुमकिन कहाँ पे है? when light travels in the air or when light travels in a single medium, when this light goes from one medium to another medium, or when light passes through a pair of media, it bends from its straight path, or we can state that there is a change in the path of this light, and this change in the path of the light when it goes from one medium to another medium, it is called as the refraction of light. Or we can state that the change in direction of the light or the change in path of the light when it goes from one medium to other medium is called as a reflection of light, or when it goes from a pair of media is called as refraction of light. तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक डायग्रामेटिकल पैटर्न बनाई है. तो यहाँ पे जो ये वाला हिस्सा है ये एक्चुअली आयर है, इट्स अ मीडियम आयर. तो जो लाइट है इट ट्रेवल्स इन a straight path. When it strikes this another medium, that is medium glass, it bends from its path. यानी कि ये it must go like this. This is a straight path, but it does not follow this straight path. When it goes from one medium to another medium, it bends from its path. It changes its direction, and it bends from this path. And this particular bending in the path or bending in the direction of the light is called as the refraction of light. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो लाइट है, जो इंसिडेंट रे है, this is the incident ray. It strikes this another medium at point I. It's called the point I, or point X, point Y. This point is called as point of incidence. And there is a hypothetical line that forms that is perpendicular, or that forms 90-degree angle with this surface of this next medium, that is a medium glass. This line is called as normal. And when it goes inside this medium, this light, it bends from its path, or it undergoes the process of refraction, and it forms an angle. With this normal. This angle is called as angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. And the light which changes its path, or which changes its path from straight line, this light is called as a refracted ray. This ray is called as a refracted ray. And in this particular process, why this refraction occurs when when light moves from one medium to another medium? Why there is a process of reflection? It is believed that the speed of light in the medium air is about 3 into 10⁸ meter per second, and when this light it goes into the medium glass, the speed of light it decreases. There is decrease in the speed of light, and this speed goes to 2 into 10⁸ meter per second. And it is believed that the process of refraction is due to the change in the speed of the light when it goes from one medium to another medium. And this refraction is caused due to change in the speed of the light when it goes from one medium to another medium. And the medium in which the speed of light is more, is called as optically rarer medium, or it's called as rarer medium. Hence the speed of light in air is more. Hence air is a rarer medium, or optically rarer medium, and the speed of light in glass is less. Hence glass is called as the optically denser medium. Hence when light goes from rarer medium to denser medium, it changes from its path, which is called as a refraction of light. This refraction of light occurs due to change in the speed of the light. When there are two cases seen during this refraction of light. When light goes from rarer medium to denser medium, rarer medium to denser medium. For example, here it is rarer medium. Rarer medium. This is incident light. It strikes another medium at point I. It forms an angle of incidence with this normal. When light goes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends, or reflected light or reflected ray bends towards the normal. And this is the reflected ray. It bends from its path, but the bending is slightly towards the normal. And this reflected ray, it seems to come closer to the normal ray, or it seems to become closer to this normal, or we can state that this reflected ray, it bends towards the normal. It bends from its path, but this bending is towards the normal. It comes nearer to the normal. When this when the light goes from rarer medium to denser medium, or when the light goes from air to glass. And when this light, it goes from denser medium to rarer medium, suppose this is here incident ray, it comes from denser medium, from glass, and it strikes at point I. For example, this is the point I, or point of incidence. It forms an angle I, or angle of incidence with normal there. When light goes from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. This light, it bends from its path. But the bending is away from the normal. This reflected ray, it forms an angle of refraction. This reflected ray, it bends away from the this normal, or this reflected ray, it bends away from the normal, and it goes away from the normal. These are the two cases which are seen during the process of refraction. It was all about today's lecture. Have a nice day.